everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are starting an exciting journey into Proxmox virtual environment. I will guide you step by step from installation all the way to clustering, high availability, and disaster recovery. In this video, we will have our overview of the course. What we learn in this course is, think of this, that do you want to build your own data center? Or if you want to run virtual machines and containers like a cloud provider? Or you want to create high availability clusters and disaster recovery without paying VMware licensing? If yes, this course is built for you. In this complete Proxmox virtual environment course, I will teach you everything from 0 to advanced level. If you are a system administrator or a network engineer, or you are IT support engineer or a DevOps engineer, IT students, IT enthusiasts, so anyone who wants to build a home lab, or anyone who wants to move from VMware or Hyper-V to Proxmox, this course is built for you. What we learn in this course? In first module, we will have a Proxmox introduction. What is Proxmox? What is Proxmox virtual environment? And we will compare Proxmox with VMware and Hyper-V. Next, we will plan our Proxmox infrastructure that we will go on with labs. Also, we will have Proxmox installation configuration, and we will have a tour to the UI of Proxmox. We will go on to Proxmox access administration and management. How we can access Proxmox, how we can have a good administration and management on Proxmox. We will go on and create virtual machines and containers and manage them. How we can manage the containers and virtual machines. Also, our tour will continue to Proxmox basic networkings, which is very important in virtualization. We will have Proxmox advanced networking also with software-defined networking. We will have Proxmox firewall securing virtualized environment. How we can secure our Proxmox, our virtual environment, our virtual machines, and our containers. Also, we will go on with important topics, which is Proxmox storage. What is local storage? What is shared storage? Our tour will continue to Proxmox clustering, which is very important in virtualization. Proxmox clustering is centrally management of the Proxmox clustering and resources. Also, we will continue with importing and migrating to Proxmox. How we can migrate from VMware ESXi or VMware vCenter or Microsoft Hyper-V to Proxmox. Also, we will go on how we can use Proxmox backup and disaster recovery for site recovery management, and what are best practices for Proxmox backups and disaster recovery. We will go on with automations and intelligence, how Proxmox automation works and how Proxmox is intelligence. In final, we will have a final project, build the ultimate affordable single device home lab with disaster recovery solutions, with high availabilities, with backups, intelligence, and those things that we learned. Finally, we will have a conclusion and we will have a future development for our course. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. In the next video, we will continue with our Proxmox lessons, which is why we selected Proxmox instead of Hyper-V or VMware ESXi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on notification so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.